Have you ever wondered what is the difference between the QA QC? Well, today we are going to uncover and the answers. So stick around to learn more about the QA QC difference. Hello everyone, welcome to the MEP QA QC Pro channel, and this channel is all about MEP QA QC and how you can grow your career with MEP QA QC engineer. So without wasting time, let's get started. So yeah, basically what is QA quality assurance? QA, proactive prevention. So basically whenever you are going to start any works, so there should be a planning and procedure. So आप कोई भी काम करने से पहले एक प्लानिंग और प्रोसीजर बनाते हैं, तो सेम उसी तरह कंस्ट्रक्शन में भी आप लाइक मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हो या इलेक्ट्रिकल क्यूए किसी इंजीनियर हो, सो सबसे पहले कोई भी काम करने से पहले एक प्लानिंग प्रोसीजर्स आपको इम्प्लीमेंट करना है और वो साइट पे कन्वे करना है. सो this is all established and standardized procedure before work begins. So quality management system. So in case of quality management systems, what you need to do is हम लोगों को एक डॉक्यूमेंट रेडी करना पड़ता है रिलेटेड टू द क्वालिटी कंट्रोल्स विच विल कवर आप कैसे किसी भी काम को किसी भी प्रोसीजर को स्टार्ट करने से पहले कौन कौन सा डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपको वहाँ पर रेडी करना, लाइक MIR इंस्पेक्शन अप्रूव होना चाहिए, क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम अप्रूव होना चाहिए, ISO स्टैंडर्ड 9001 प्रोसीजर्स अप्रूव होना चाहिए, and many things is there, so you can develop the system for the quality control. The next one is training and prevention. So basically this is the fastest way to control the prevention. So what you need to do is you need to train the people who is going to start any works. You need to give the training how to start the work and what is the procedure need to be done at site and what are the documents, drawings, materials to be used at sites. So all this training is necessary to start any works. So this is all about quality assurance. I hope you understand this one. So next things we will go to the quality control, reactive detections. So once the work is done or once during the work and work as done, so there will be some inspection and test plan you have to do it. So conduct actual inspection during construction, like कोई भी काम अगर साइट पे स्टार्ट हुआ, like duct work, chill water pipe, electrical system, tray installations, वाटर सप्लाई पाइप इंस्टॉलेशन. सो उस ड्यूरेशन में आपको इंस्पेक्ट करना है कि जो भी आपके साइट इंजीनियर्स प्लस द फोरमैन जो हाई स्किल पीपल है उनके साथ इंस्पेक्शन करना कि कोई भी काम चल रहा है तो एक प्रोसीजर के साथ फॉलो कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, कोई क्लैशेस नहीं है, काम जो भी इंस्टॉल हुआ है वो एक्चुअल गुड क्वालिटी में हुआ है. तो ये सब आपको इंस्पेक्ट करना है ड्यूरिंग द कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड आफ्टर द इंस्पेक्शन, आफ्टर द इंस्टॉलेशन डन. The next one is compliance verification. So basically what compliance verification is, first of all कोई भी इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोसीजर से स्टार्ट करने के लिए आपके पास स्पेसिफिकेशन होता है, जो प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड स्पेसिफिकेशन है वो आपको फॉलो करना होता है. नेक्स्ट एक ऑथोरिटी बेस्ड, लाइक आप दुबई में तो दुबई ऑथोरिटीज स्टैंडर्ड्स है, ओके, लाइक इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड ISO स्टैंडर्ड्स है, डक्ट इंस्टॉलेशन है, डक्ट मटेरियल है वो थ्रू एशरे, और लाइक वाटर सप्लाई पाइप है तो ASI कोई भी स्टैंडर्ड कोड्स वो सब आपको फॉलो करना है. और वो मटेरियल भी शुड बी फॉलो, मटेरियल जो भी है वो एज पर स्टैंडर्ड्स एंड कोड्स आने चाहिए साइट पे एंड एज पर अप्रूव मटेरियल. द नेक्स्ट वन इज डिफेक्ट डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. Okay, this is one of the most important things for during the construction time. Quality control engineer should check and should verify. इसमें क्या होता है कि कोई भी काम अगर आप साइट पे चल रहे हैं उस ड्यूरेशन में फॉर श्योर जो भी लेबर्स हैं और या स्किल पर्सन है, मे बी समथिंग they would wrong, they do something wrong during installation. They use the pipe something not matching with the drawings or something not not as per the drawings. Location is incorrect, so that defect you need to be addressed through the documentation. With that documentation is known as NCR. What is called, that is called NCR. So this is called NCR. Okay. So the next one is reporting. What is reporting? So how, once everything you checked, everything is done at site, so now this is the right time to do the inspection. You have to call the consultant for inspection. Okay, I have verified everything at site, now it's your turn, so you need to submit inspection. So he will come along with you or with your engineer to do the inspection at site, and will give the approval in the same day or same time. And if there is a comments, for sure the consultant will give you to rectify within the some time periods, and you need to do in the same time. So this is all about the quality control. It's very easy, very helpful for you to understand. This is the basic procedure you need to follow at site, please. So the next one is, what is the key difference in MEP context? So basically, when we are talking the QA and QC engineer, so what actually makes difference? So QA, before, like I told you, before and during construction, the QA has to do, and QC during and after installation he has to check. For the focus time prevention, what is the focus under the QAC? He will focus on prevention, something not to be happen in future, or something if suppose if you used wrong materials, it will for sure it will detect in during the control, quality control time, so he will try to prevent all the process improvement. The QC will detect if there is a detection, if there is a defect in the system or defect in the material, he will detect it. Tools, what are the tools we have to use? So the for the QA, you need to use procedures like some checklists. For every company they have their own checklist, so you need to follow the checklist before starting any works. What are the checklists, how you will check? Okay, material done, material is approved by the submit, material is approved by the consultant, material arrive at site is non-defective, material arrive at site as per the codes and standard, that one you need to check, and so on. There is so many checklists are there. For the QAQC, for the QC, what he will do during or after the installation, he will check he will check the system, he will verify the system. After that, he will take the measuring device, like like uh, f- he will follow the drawing. Okay, the duct installation is done as per the same as per drawings. Okay, bottom up duct should be same as per drawing, bottom of chill water is same as per drawing, location of chill water same as per drawing. Okay, cable tray is passing from this area, it should be as per drawing. Cable size of the tray, it should be as per the drawing. So all everything he has to check through the, not through the equipment, I'm saying, yeah, like through the, they have on their checklist and all. So it's depend upon which system, on which company you are working, so they have on their own their devices to check the defects. So this is all about the difference between the QA QC. Okay, the QA engineers specific MEP responsibility. Okay, so the once everything is done, what the QA/QC engineers they will do is they will develop a quality plan. This is one of their responsibility to develop the quality plan. What are the procedure to be followed at site before starting the works and after the starting the works. So the quality plan you need to prepare. So this topic for sure we will clear it in the upcoming session, and it is very important topics, and this is a very lengthy topic, and this is the top most requirement for the industries who have experience. For the basic people, for freshers, it's not mandatory, but if you will learn in between your career, that is more benefit for you. Okay, so quality plan, it will cover all the means the procedure, what you are going to do, how you are going to start the works, what are the method you will apply, what are the criteria to be followed. So all these things you will apply in the quality plan. So you will make this plan and submit to the consultant for approval. Method statement. Actually, what is method statement? Before starting any work, there should be a method statement, like a method. Suppose I want to start chill water pipe installation. Okay. So what are the method? So you will start making the procedure for the installation. Who are the involvement? What are the documents to be followed? What is the procedure of installation? What is the procedure of testing? What are the way to take the inspection, and what are the way to take the approvals? So all the things you will create in the method statement. For sure, in the future I will be sharing also you the tips and tricks for this, how you can make the method statement. Okay, calibration. What is calibration actually? So if you're doing any testing at site, there should be the equipment should be calibrated. It means it should be verified with the authority who will doing the calibrations. It means you need to calibrate your system, so any testing you are doing, it should be verified from the calibration machines. Calibration machine, it will show you the exact value of the pressure, anything of the measuring test, of the insulation test, whatever test you are doing. So calibration is very important to do. And because this is the most important when you are submitting any inspection for testing or testing and commissioning, there should be equipment. For sure you will use some equipment to do the calibration, to do the report, to taking the reports. So consultant or the client will ask where is the calibration report for that machine, and that machine was any defect is there, are you do the calibration of that machine? So everything the consultant will ask you, so you need to present the calibration report for any equipment which you are going to use at site. Okay, let's see to another one. What is QQC engineer specification? So what are the tasks for the quality control engineer? So basically, as I told you, this is the same thing. There's not much difference. So what are the things to be done at site for ducting work, electrical compliance, plumbing verification, commissioning you did at site? So all these things will come under the quality control. For a mechanical QA engineer, he will do the duct work. What are the duct installation? How the testing done? Plumbing, what are the systems installed at site? He will verify the site. He will call the consultant for approval. At the every end, they will do testing and commissioning for system, and before which we need to do before handing over any system to the client or their representative. So we need to do all the things. So this will come under the quality control engineer. Okay, so basically, I believe everyone is confused that okay, maybe this is quality engineer, quality assurance engineer is different, and quality control engineer difference in the project. So basically, no, it is not like this. Quality QA and QC engineers is only the one engineer side who is handling QA QC together. So there is no separate engineer for QA and the QC engineer. In the site, in the project of construction, we have only one QA/QC, which is for mechanical and which is for electrical, and maybe it's another system, so it will come another QA/QC. But QA/QC will work together. They are work. There is one. This is only one system. It's not like separate system. So there, we are working together, QA and QC. So if you will, if you want to go to the for any interview, they will ask you both for QA and QC. They will not hire you for QA or and just QC. So there is no like different engineer. Both are this is only one engineer for QA and QC. Okay, so working together, once we will be in one team, once the QA and QC become a one engineer, so what will happen, it will for sure it will give you project success, it will give you continuous improvement, it will give you to finding the defects, it will give you the guide how what to be done, so you will not face any issue in the futures, you will detect and you will prevent. So once the QA/QC engineer understands these things, so he will not be face any issues at site. He will take the projects. It's very, very in a good way, and he or she can improve their works at site, and he or she can give the continuous improvement at site. So this all together become a QA/QC engineer. So what are the key takeaways? So basically we learn quality assurance and quality control. क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस क्या करेंगे, वो किसी भी काम को स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप प्रोएक्टिव हो जाएंगे, फोकस करेंगे प्रोवेंशन पे, और एक सिस्टम इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे जो कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्ट करने से पहले, काम करने से पहले आपको अप्लाई करना है साइट पे। वंस एवरीथिंग इज डन, क्वालिटी कंट्रोल क्या करेंगे, जब आप काम कर रहे हो और ड्यूरेशन और आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द वर्क्स, इन बिटवीन एंड आफ्टर, he will check the works, he will verify the works, he will find the detections, he will try to implement any procedure if there is something he found। वो सारे क्वालिटी कंट्रोल में आ गए। उसके बाद उनका फाइनल काम है कि इंस्पेक्शन कराना एंड गेट द अप्रूवल फ्रॉम द कंसल्टेंट एंड द क्लाइंट। सो now you understood what is quality assurance and quality control. Okay, now we will work both together as a QA/QC. Once you are in the site, you will be qualified as a QA/QC engineer. Then you can easily deliver the projects smoothly, and you can able to work both as a one time. And since you understand what is quality assurance and quality assurance, quality control, so this is a very important questions arrived in the doing the interview. What is the difference between quality assurance and quality control? So I believe from this videos and this topic you understand what is the basic difference between the quality assurance and quality control. I i can ensure that you can easily give the answer to the interviewer. So guys, that is for today. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more video like this. Stay tuned for my upcoming video which is right in front of you. This is a very important video which is now for the digital age, because we have AI, we have so many things ongoing in it. But as a QAQC engineer, you should know how you can manage your documentation in a very fine way. So stay tuned and let's see. Okay, bye bye, see you.